everyone. Well, today I got to come visit for the last time for a while the Hickory Museum of Art classroom. So before I show you this project, I thought I'd just give you a glimpse of what I get to see and take part in every day. So let me give you a look around. So we have our lots of storage for all kinds of fun art supplies. Over here, more art supplies. Back in the corner, we have all our recyclables. We have our kiln that we get to use for clay during our summer camps. Don't forget, we're hoping to still have all our summer camps. Back all the way to our aprons and our fun hallway with all the artwork. So that's what we get to deal with every day. It's a lot of fun. But now, let's look about drawing with our thumbs. All you're going to need today is your thumb. If you have an ink pad, a stamp pad, that's good. If not, you can color your thumb with a washable marker, or you can use paint and maybe a Sharpie or a marker or an ink pen. Ed Emberley has this great book called Thumbprint Drawing Book. He can show you step by step how to draw people, animals, flowers. It's a really fun book if you could check it out sometime from your library, or if you want to order it on Amazon. It's a lot of fun. There's some animals, more animals, alligators, butterflies. So I'm just going to show you a few, and then you can try some at home. So I have this big ink pad. So press my finger. Again, you can just color your thumb with a washable marker. Put my thumb on here. I've done a couple other ones already, so you can create from your thumbprints. So earlier I did a bird. We'll slide this a little closer. You might not see me, but you can see the pictures a little bit better. So I have a bird. How about, let's see, when I did the bee, there's the stinger, maybe some wings on that bee, some eyeballs. How about a frog? So you can see that you can create all kinds of animals just with your thumb. Flowers, Easter bunny. See what you can create.